Okay, there's many tools that I have that I'm super stoked about, but this one to me has to be like one of the most special tools. And I gotta say, I've never seen anything like this. This was given to me by Dave, Firehorse Forge. If you don't know the guy, he's a really great knife maker in Seattle, and I use a lot of his knives. You might have seen his knives on my page if you're not familiar, but here it is. This is the coolest spoon that you've ever seen. This is a Damascus spoon. And I mean, look at how insane that looks. That's the spoon when you get, what is it on, I never played Call of Duty, but was it like A Million Kills or something? Like, look at this thing. That's the Damascus spoon right there. I never had the opportunity to use this in a restaurant, nor do I think I would. It's got that, you know, like that carbony steel to it. It's more of a, I don't know what I would use this for, honestly. It's decor, or it's just a piece to have, I guess. It's really cool. It's got a nice bowl. So you could use it for saucing. Obviously, it's very round. It's like almost perfectly circular. It's got a little oblong to it. So I don't think I would use it for quenelles unless I wanted to get it like very spherical, I guess. That could be cool. I could showcase like how to do that if you want to see how to do a rocher. Everyone calls them quenelles, even though mostly people do them with one hand. I myself still call them quenelles, even though I do them with one hand. The one-handed technique is called a rocher, and I could show you that with some of this froyo here. Although I don't know if the froyo is like quite thawed enough for me to do it. I could try. A lot of people are asking on like different plating techniques and like, can you show us different plating technique every video? I could do that. That could be cool. Because there are like quite a few plating techniques that I've learned in my time. There's even one where we had to tap the plate down on a towel to get like a perfect circle of sauce. I remember one time I broke a plate doing that. But anyways, this is my favorite spoon. I wanted to show it to you. It is the coolest spoon ever. I mean, how insane is that? This is the guy that makes these knives. Firehorse Forge, really cool guy. Typically what we do for a rocher, we get a spoon that is hot. Not blazing hot, but somewhat hot, right? And this is, okay, this is a horrible example, but this is all I got. Because typically you want it to be like in the container where it's not like super deep in there, so you can actually do like this motion, and then you want to bring the spoon back. I'll try to do that somewhat, so I'm kind of, yeah, this is not thought enough, but yeah. I could show you another time. I have a video on it. Let's show you, okay, forget the quenelle technique. I'm gonna show you how to get a completely round sauce, because you do want a somewhat round spoon for this. This is the perfect time. So I've got some sort of sauce right here. It's like a horseradish mayo situation. You take a good dollop like such, and then just, you know, spoon it on gently into like a nice circle situation, like such. Doesn't have to be completely perfect, because you want to get a towel, by the way, if this is with a glass plate. I'm using a paper plate because I'm moving right now, and this is all we gotta do at this point. We just gotta look at this. There we go. And check it out. That is like a nicely circular sauce that's been distributed there. You could go wider if you want. And then from there, that's your frame. You could put a nice piece of fish on the side here, or your veg, whatever you want, and it's gonna look really pretty. I've done this before with like green sauces, and we put like little droplets of oil with like a salmon and maybe like some pickled blueberries. It looks very pretty on the plate, because obviously you're not gonna be able to get like this perfectly untouched looking circle of sauce just by spooning it on, you know. This is the way to do it. Tappy, tappy, tap, and that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show you guys my favorite spoon and a little spoon technique. Let me know if this was even helpful for you guys. Peace.